Hi, welcome back to Axel Learning. If you're new here, welcome. We provide free access to math techniques, shortcuts, and many more. In today's video, we will be learning how to divide a two-digit number by 9. In this example, 45 divided by 9. Step 1. The first digit of the dividend forms the partial quotient. In this example, 4. Step 2. Add it to the adjacent digit to get a remainder. 4 plus 5 equals 9. Step 3. If remainder is greater than or equal to 9, divide by 9 by following steps 1 and 2 above until you get a remainder less than 9. 9 divided by 9 is 1. And the remainder is 0, which is less than 9, so there's no need to divide it by 9 again. We have two partial quotients here. Partial quotient 1 is 4 and partial quotient 2 is 1. Step 4, add the partial quotients to get the final quotient, which is 5. Therefore, 45 divided by 9 is 5, remainder is 0. If you like this video, push the like button and subscribe for more math techniques.